Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: Aadhaar, PAN, a clear ID photo, and a scan signature. Make sure your mobile is Aadhaar linked for OTP. Next, open SBI Yono or the SBI online portal on your phone or computer because the application flow differs slightly. Once done, select the savings account variant and the branch where you want physical correspondence. This step speeds verification and limits rework, so confirm branch and deposit amount before moving to the online form. Now fill the application carefully. Type your name exactly as on ID, add DOB, address, PAN, and nominee details because mismatches slow approval. Then upload scanned Aadhaar, PAN, a passport-style photograph, and your signature file, making sure images are clear and under size limits. Once uploaded, select account features like SMS alerts and checkbook or debit card. After choosing the initial deposit method, review all fields. Use OTP for verification and electronically sign to submit. This sequence ensures smooth KYC processing. Finally, submit the application and note the reference number displayed. You will receive SMS or email updates. Once the bank approves, activate net banking via SBI Online or Yono, set your login and transaction PINs, and verify debit card delivery if ordered. Make sure to complete in-branch KYC only if requested to avoid duplication. If an OTP fails or document upload errors occur, retry on a stable network, clear cache. And if problems persist, call SBI support or visit the chosen branch with originals for quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.